Hey yo, peep this.
What's the deal, yo?
Welcome to the No Connect Talk Show, where we talk about teen issues and how to cope with them. Today's topic is teen gossip. Do you gossip?
No.
If you gossip, it can devastate a teen's confidence in their positive self-image. Gossiping has ruined friendships, relationships, and so much more.
About 1 in 12 high school students say they have made a suicide attempt in the past year. And 75% of the people who commit suicide are depressed because of gossip. Did you know 55% of men's conversation is gossip?
No, I didn't know that.
That sounds surprising, don't it?
Yes, it does. Oh my God.
Anyway, if that sounds surprising, 67% of women's conversations is gossip.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you a few tips on how to prevent gossip.
Tip number 1. Parents, put an end to gossip in your house by imposing a no gossip rule with your teen.
Tip 2. Remind your teen about the blemishes that gossip causes. Whether intended or not, there is always a victim of gossip.
Tip number 3. Parents, be a strong role model for your teen. Show your teen that you don't participate in or approve of gossip.
Tip number 4. Teens, think about how you would feel if someone was gossiping about you. Would you like it?
No.
So you don't do it.
Tip number 5. Parents, check your teen's computer, more specifically the chat logs, because when they are on the internet, they feel more freedom because of the lack of supervision.
Tip number 6. Parents, if you do find out that your teen is a part of gossip, I know you want to get mad and built up. Try to approach the situation calmly.
Tip number 7. Parents, watch your teen's friendship closely. If you observe things suddenly changing, there may be more to the story than what is being told.
Tip number 8. Help your teen understand that he or she is affecting their own friendship by gossiping. He or she may not be happy if they lose their friends because they're spreading rumors.
Teens, encourage yourself to expose inappropriate, questionable behavior. If other people are talking about you, you can deal with it by demonstrating behavior that contradicts the untrue rumors.
Tip 10. Teens, only share secrets and personal info with friends that have proven that you can trust them.
Tip 11. Teens, if you see somebody gossiping, don't join in. Don't become a part of hurting someone else. Break the cycle.
Well, that concludes our show, and I hope both teens and parents learned something very valuable from today's show. Until next time,
Deuces.